Okay, in this next part, we're going to need to create a new column. And what that column is going to do, let me go ahead and expand this. It's going to be the distance from the center of the cam to the edge of the cam at each one of these degrees. Now, we don't want to have to go back and measure that. So what we're going to do, let me go ahead and delete this and I'll show you how it's done. You're going to say equals, because we're going to insert a formula. The distance to the top of the cam, so that's from the middle of the cam, sorry, the distance to the top of the follower, and that's from the middle of the cam to the top of the follower. I'm going to subtract the length of the follower, which is 4.722, and what that'll do is it'll take the entire distance, which is the middle of the cam, all the way to the top of the follower, remove the follower, and now the distance is just from the middle of the cam to the edge of the cam. So that's the distance from the middle of the cam, from the center of the axis to the edge of the cam where the follower was resting on it. I'm going to click on that cell and I'm going to take that little box in the corner because I'm going to want to copy that formula all the way down to the bottom. So you don't want to have to keep copying that formula by yourself. You can just have the computer do it. So that's how you create a new column to the distance from the center of the cam to the edge of the cam at each one of these degrees. So go ahead and do that and then come back and then we're going to graph these two values along a dot plot.